Howdy, howdy. It's Trisha Lee. I made it. I'm here. Musicians Hall of Fame. So, cool. I made it to Nashville. Woohoo. I've had myself a day. Oh my. So I was planning on making some more videos for you at the Chicago airport and the Nashville airport, but after my 8 o'clock flight got changed to a 3:30 flight, and I sat at the airport half the day, and then I got to Chicago and I literally had to like run to the other terminal to catch my connecting flight, and I landed in Nashville and I was like, I'm so sick of airports, I need to stop and make a video. So I'm here downtown by the Musicians Hall of Fame. I made it, so I'm just making my way over to my hotel, and I thought, well, I'll make a couple of videos for you downtown here. And so I'm just gonna mosey around and make some more videos to show you around the city while I am on my way to the Gaylord Opryland for this awesome event. First, we'll start with the Lifestyle Alchemy, I believe it's called, the Women of Bliss event, which will be going on Wednesday and Thursday, and then Friday starts the Empower Network event. So lots of videos, and hopefully interview some awesome people to share with you once I get home. So yeah, I'll leave it at that for now. I'm gonna take a little walk and see what other kind of interesting stuff we can make videos about, and so stay tuned for the next video here in downtown Nashville. Go out there and have an amazing day. I'm here on Musician's Way. I think that's so awesome. I want everybody out there to know that I'm a firm believer that in this life absolutely anybody can be, do, and have anything they want, or we can have everything we want, and I choose everything, and I hope you will too, because you can. So click the link to find out how. Have an amazing day, and if I don't see you in the future, I'll see you back out in the pasture in like a week. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.